If you have a website outside of Canvas that you're going to use frequently in your class, it's not a bad idea to link it right here in the navigation menu so that students can easily access it. For example, when I taught the SAT prep class, we always started with a do now for question of the day. So it's easy to link question of the day on my Canvas page so students don't have to go hunting for it. The first thing I want to do is I want to just go in and grab the URL. So I'm just going to highlight it, right-click, and copy. Next, I'm going to go in to my settings at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to use the redirect tool listed under the Apps tab. Now, this is the tool we use to link our student weekly plans, but you can also use it to link any outside website. So again, all I'm going to do is click Add App. Maybe I'll call this Q of Day. The name that I enter here is what will appear in my menu, so you want to make sure it's not too long because you don't want it to go onto separate lines. And now I'm going to get rid of everything that's in the URL redirect section, and then I'm just going to Control V or right-click and paste, and that will put the URL in. Again, I want to show in course navigation, and Canvas recommends that for external links, you should open it in a new tab, and I tend to agree because I want to keep my students in my Canvas page. Once I'm ready, I'll click Add App, and it'll tell me that the app was added successfully. Now, if I just refresh and go into my navigation menu, I should see this Q of Day. It's automatically visible for my students. I can move it anywhere I want. And I move it just by grabbing the 3 dots and dragging. If I move it below this line, then students won't be able to see it. So I want to keep it up here. Maybe I'll put it ahead there. And when I'm ready, I'll press Save. Now you should see that change reflected in your navigation menu the way students would see it. And if you're not sure if students will see it, you can always go to your homepage and select Student View. Now you can see exactly what their menu is going to look like, and when they want to get to the question of the day, they'll just click that button. It'll ask to open in a new tab, and now they'll have access to the question, which updates daily. So that saves me a lot of time rather than having to repost the link every day or trust students to favorite it. Now I can just pop it into my menu so I know they can all access it. If you have any questions, please let me know.